In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up the Opti Non-Motorised Folding Treadmill. Carefully unpack the treadmill and lay out every part. Additionally, lay out the included nuts, bolts and washers. All the tools you need to set up the treadmill are included. We recommend getting a second person to help with lifting and moving the treadmill. Rotate the console masts upright. Then, attach the supplied knobs to either side of the treadmill. Place the treadmill upside down and line up the base frame with the console masts. Push the supplied bolts through the base frame and into the console masts. Add washers to either side of the console masts. Firmly tighten the nuts so that the base frame is attached to the console mast. Repeat this process on both sides. You can now place the treadmill upright. Place the handles on the console masts. Then, place the arc washers above the holes on the handlebars. You can now use an Allen key to tighten the bolts, fixing the handlebars to the console masts. Plug the computer cable into the cable on the console mast. Finally, slide the computer screen onto the mount on the handlebars and plug the screen in. Your Opti treadmill is now ready to use.